What if one daily habit, done incorrectly for years, is quietly aging you from the inside? What you're about to discover is a hydration protocol used by some of the world's longest-living people, backed by decades of medical observation. It comes from a respected doctor who spent his career studying the digestive systems of thousands, searching for the simple, common threads of a vibrant, extended life. This isn't about drinking more water. It's about a specific way of drinking water. A method that, according to his findings, helps protect your vital cellular machinery, supports effortless digestion, and creates an internal environment for longevity. We're going to break down his 3 foundational rules, then give you practical steps you can apply immediately. Let's begin with the first principle, a morning ritual he considered non-negotiable. Drink water on an empty stomach, immediately upon waking. He advised 1 to 2 glasses of warm or room temperature liquid before any food, tea, or coffee. This act, he found, gently awakens a system that has been in a state of nightly repair and mild dehydration. Overnight, your body is in maintenance mode. Cells are being repaired, hormones rebalanced, and metabolic waste is being processed. Without fresh fluid intake for hours, these natural byproducts can become concentrated. That first morning serving acts as a systemic flush. It rehydrates tissues, helps clear overnight debris, and prepares your digestive tract for the day ahead. But there's a deeper reason he prioritized this. He believed it directly supports your body's natural enzymes, the microscopic catalysts, for every function that keeps you alive and youthful. Proper morning hydration, in his view, gives these enzymes the fluid environment they need to work at peak efficiency from the moment you start your day. Many who adopted this practice reported clearer thinking, smoother digestion, and more stable energy. Which leads us to a critical question. What are you actually protecting with this habit? The answer is your enzyme reserve. This doctor held a powerful view that our longevity is directly tied to the preservation of these internal biological sparks. They digest our meals, repair damaged cells, and detoxify our systems. When they're depleted or overworked, our vitality declines. But here's the insight. How you hydrate can either safeguard this reserve or drain it rapidly. Your water habits are a direct investment in your cellular youth. The second principle addresses how you drink throughout the day. The key is steady, consistent sipping, never gulping large volumes at once. Consuming too much water in a short time can overwhelm the stomach, dilute crucial digestive fluids, and force the kidneys into stressful overdrive. Your kidneys have a processing limit. Flooding your system exceeds this capacity, which can temporarily dilute essential minerals in your blood, sometimes leading to headaches or a feeling of unwellness. Even without severe symptoms, the sudden workload creates internal stress. A gentle, consistent intake, however, supports smooth digestion, maintains optimal circulation, and ensures your cells are continually bathed in fresh fluid without shocking them. Long-term health, he argued, is built in these quiet, hourly habits, not in dramatic, occasional gestures. Now, for the third rule, which might change how you sit down to eat. Avoid drinking large amounts of water during your meals. His reasoning was physiological. A stomach full of water dilutes the potent gastric acids and enzymes responsible for breaking down your food. This can lead to slower digestion, reduced nutrient absorption, and feelings of bloating or heaviness afterward. It also pulls energy away, making the kidneys process fluid while digestion is trying to occur. Instead, he recommended taking only small sips if necessary, then drinking freely about half an hour after finishing your meal. This allows your digestive system to operate in a concentrated, efficient state, extracting maximum nourishment and supporting overall metabolic balance. It's a simple but profound shift toward digestive ease. So, what type of water should you use for this protocol? He emphasized quality. First, aim for water that is as pure and clean as possible, free from contaminants. Ideally, it should also contain beneficial minerals like magnesium and calcium, which support cellular function. You don't need expensive machines. A pinch of baking soda or mineral drops can slightly enhance your water's mineral profile at home. Second, temperature matters. He strongly recommended room temperature or warm water. Icy cold drinks can shock the digestive tract, cause blood vessels to constrict, and slow down enzymatic activity. Tepid water is gentle, supporting rather than hindering your body's natural processes. This subtle detail aligns with traditions and long-living cultures where warm beverages are the norm. Based on these pillars, here are actionable steps to transform your hydration into a longevity practice. First, start your day with 1 to 2 glasses of warm water, perhaps with a squeeze of lemon for vitamin C and a gentle alkalizing effect. Second, carry a reusable bottle and sip steadily all day, avoiding large gulps. Third, make a conscious effort to separate major drinking from your mealtimes. Fourth, choose mineral-rich water, whether from a quality source or enhanced at home. Fifth, make room temperature your default. Sixth, consider incorporating herbal or green tea into your sipping routine for added antioxidants and minerals. Finally, and most importantly, practice mindfulness. Consistency with these gentle habits is what creates the compounding benefit over years. These practices are less about rigid rules and more about cultivating a respectful relationship with your body's innate needs. By hydrating with intention, you're not just quenching thirst, you're nurturing the very processes that determine how well you age. If this perspective on daily habits resonated with you, please show your support by giving this video a like. It helps Winds of Thought share more insights like this. Thank you for watching.